Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be installing a frontal wig that I received from Cynosure Hair. Inside the package, I received a 20-inch waterwave frontal wig along with a wig cap and some eyelashes. This is what the wig looks like fresh out the package. The first thing I did was bleach the knots to get started with the install. Before I install the wig on my client, I like to hot comb all the hair into place. So I did take out all the baby hairs that I was going to use for this install, and I parted the hair into a side part. So after you've done that step, you're going to place the wig on your client's hair exactly where you would want it to be. After that, you're going to cut off all the lace that you won't be using that's covering your client's ear. Now you're going to use the adhesive of your choice and place one layer down across your client's hairline. Once the glue is completely dried, it'll turn clear. So when that's dried, you can go ahead and put your second layer on. Now that the glue is dried, you're going to lay the lace down in line with the glue. You're going to make sure that you put the lace down in the right place because you don't want to have any extra lace on the hairline that doesn't need to be there. When you're finished laying the lace down, you're going to use an elastic band and place it over the hairline of the lace to give it an extra melt. Now we're going to get started with the baby hairs. Since I already have all the hair that I'll be using out, I'm going to cut them to a good length and then I'm going to style them using Got to Be Glued gel. After I'm finished styling the baby hairs, I put mousse on top of the hairline to give it a softer look. When you're finished with that, you're going to tie down the baby hairs with a silk wrap or wrap strips and let it dry. Lastly, I'm going to use my mousse and my spray bottle with water in it and wet their hair to bring all the curls back. And this is basically the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Comment down any questions you have. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.